Are you exhausted and tired by now of the same income level, same struggles, same limitations? And whenever you have attempted to go out there and make your dreams happen, achieve some goals, make some habit changes, you're literally bombarded with doubts and fears, and then eventually you come back to the same comfort zone. What if I told you that in the next 9 minutes you will learn how to make your uncomfortable zone as your comfort zone, so that your relationship with it gets better and you are able to make bold decisions much faster? And this is exactly what peak potential entrepreneurs do, and it's only and only going to take 3 mindset shifts. You don't have to figure out anything, I'll guide you through it. So by now you're already aware that in your comfort zone, the only life that is available is the life that you're living right now. Same income level, same friends, same habits, same body, same health, everything the same. And you're also aware that your dream life lies beyond new ways of thinking, new emotional state, new actions, new habits, right? New nervous system altogether. But whenever you've attempted to make that happen, either you got in a freeze state, or you did not know where to start, or you were so unsure whether you'll be able to sustain it that you would pull yourself back or not begin in the first place. Now, it's not something that only you are experiencing. It's a very universal human experience to have. The only thing some people, I would say like a very minute percentage of people on this planet do, is they take charge rather than letting this control themselves, right? So if you're watching this video, that part is already sorted. You are curious enough and ready enough to make a change. That is why you're here to learn. Imagine that from today itself, you will have a very comfortable relationship with being out of comfort zone, that you're able to make bold moves while feeling in control, while feeling that you're at home, at peace, safe and secure. So you will learn about these 3 mindset shifts, and let's get into it. First mindset shift is pain and pleasure rewiring. Now, the reason why you stay in your comfort zone for this long is because it's pleasurable. And if you think of stepping out of it, it seems to be painful. Now, it's just a meaning that you have given to yourself again and again and again, that your subconscious just started believing in it. And you can take the conventional motivational advice, which is go hard, go strong, hustle, do not lose, blah, blah, blah. It will give you more resistance back. Or you can act smarter here by rewiring your mind. So now get present to the pain factor in staying where you are. When you wake up without any energy, isn't that painful? When you look at somebody your age or half your age doing so well in their business, taking risks, and you're not, isn't that painful? When you get present with that, you are literally giving yourself more reasons to pick yourself up and move forward. Now we don't stop here. Start seeing what if the life you want and the changes that you want to make in yourself, in your life, to make that life happen is actually pleasurable. Isn't it that when your body is really asking for it and you go for a walk, or you do a really short segment of yoga, or you do yoga just for 5 minutes, you feel so light in your body and you feel like, I'm gonna do this every day. When you actually make that sales call, or you put that offer out in your community of selling your service, doesn't it feel good that you showed up for your business, you showed up for your vision, and you showed up for your community? And if that gets you a sale, that's even better. If you start reminding yourself of the reward that lies, the pleasure that lies in the process that you want to take and the dream life that you're building, you will feel more magnetized and energized to start moving towards it. And in fact, your brain is so powerful, it's gonna bring you such incredible ideas to make that happen. And slowly you will stop finding that juice in your current life, in your bad habits that don't serve you anymore, in that thought processes that are pulling you down. And you will find yourself totally disassociated with things that you were doing continuously, consistently for years and years, and you will watch yourself showing up once, twice, thrice, and very regularly in the new things that you wanted to do. The easiest way to make this flip is actually by answering some questions. These are really powerful questions, and it's in the free guide that I've made for you. That's in the first comment. Just open those questions either in the morning or in the evening, whenever you get time and you're free-minded. Start answering those questions and you will start observing that your perspectives are just very naturally changing. That actually is the power of doing deep subconscious work. Second mindset shift, which is flipping the perception with comfort zone. So you have tagged your current life, the comfort zone, as your safe friend. And you see your dreams which lie in the future as a stranger. It's so unfamiliar. I don't even know this person. What if staying where you are is actually uncomfortable? Not having enough money in your wallet, not having enough money for your dreams, constant stress about the future. All of this is just so uncomfortable. It is familiar, that is why we started seeing that as comfortable. Now flip it. Imagine that your dreams are very comfortable. Imagine hiring staff to take care of the chores, your household chores like cooking and cleaning and you are able to dedicate more of your time and energy into doing something that you are very skilled at. Imagine taking your parents out on an international trip just because, or maybe on their anniversary, right? And you surprise them. How would they feel? And you tell them that thank you for taking care of me all my life. Now I get to be there for you. Imagine retiring your parents. They can work if they want to after that, but they won't have to work for money. Why? Because the child, you, have taken care of those financial needs of your parents. They deserve that. You deserve that. That feeling of satisfaction. Imagine investing in really amazing mentors for your kid just because he or she has some really incredible talents. Wouldn't that feel good? You're literally setting your kid up for extreme success. The kid will have a better edge over others. Imagine having competent people in your business. They are doing what they are best at. You are doing what you are best at. Isn't that freaking comfortable? Doesn't that feel good? Yet, the more you engross yourself in this feeling of, oh my God, this feels so delicious, this feels like me, this feels familiar, this feels like home, the more you're magnetized and you actually make your dreams happen. Mindset shift number 3, observer and doer exercise. Now, this one is really powerful. In our programs, we really focus on this because it makes people invincible. So what will happen when you step out of your comfort zone? You will be met by your fears, by your doubts, by your anxieties. I experience that on a daily basis. My clients experience that on a daily basis. Why? Because now we are taking bigger bets that are extremely unfamiliar, but they do not control us. What are we doing differently? What we do is we see ourselves separate from the fear. So right now, the fear is controlling you because you are so identified with it that you think that you are fear and the fear is you. Think of yourself in 2 roles. One is the observer and the second is the doer. The observer is usually calm, composed and at a distance detached. And the doer in this case is met with anxiety or fear, whatever that is, right? So we have 2 different roles here. For example, you're launching your offer, your service, and the fear comes up that what if nobody buys? What if I fail? And instead of getting super consumed and lost in this fear, take a step back, relax yourself, do a meditation or whatever it takes, and just observe that, oh, so the doer in me is scared of losing. I'm watching this fear, but I don't have to react to it. Imagine, wouldn't you feel more powerful? Wouldn't you feel more in control, more in charge of that situation, knowing that you have fear? You're not avoiding it, you're not suppressing it, because you know when you do that, it comes back again later in a much powerful form. So instead of resisting it, when you're observing it, it starts to dissolve. You eventually start feeling that I'm not feeling as scared right now. You might even find that fear funny after a bit of observing. That's the power of observing all your emotions. They dissolve. So do this morning exercise. It's so powerful. I give credit to this for my financial growth because it literally unlocks so much crap from your system. It makes you free. What happens when you're free? You are unstoppable. You make those bold decisions without being held back by your old patterns, man. That is gold. So this exercise is gold. Start your day by doing very simple 3 things. 1, write down what you want. Now, you're already aware of that. You're a master of it. So just write every morning what you want. 2nd, what fears or doubts or anxieties are coming up with these goals. 3rd, all you got to do is just observe that in your body. So when the fear comes up, I won't be able to pay my rent. Where are you feeling it? Oh, I think I'm feeling it in my throat. I'm not sure, but I think there's a sensation. Close your eyes and just observe that part of your body. It may move, it may release, it may increase. Only the observer knows that is you. So you have all the tools that you need. All you got to do is show up, not only for your current self, for your future self that knows that you're going to live such an incredible life, and the past self who worked really hard for you to be where you are right now. Moreover, for your family, for your friends, for your communities, because when you win, through you, they realize that there's so much more to life and you have no idea how you're going to inspire people by doing that. And if you feel like all of this sounds good, but I'm not sure if I start, I'll be able to be on track, in that case, you can join a free WhatsApp community. Second, we have now launched our Money Power group. It is an ecosystem where not only this, but you experience, you practice very regularly, very deep exercises and tools. Our conversations are so hypnotic, your mindset changes like that, and it is extremely affordable, just because I wanted people to get in the momentum of changing their mindset so that they can live their incredible life right now, not later. More information is in the first comment and even in the description. And anyway, you can join our free community right now. We're even running free sessions. So people have literally created 5 lakhs. I'm going to pin that video here. It's an incredible one. People have literally shifted their mindsets, their identity, their confidence level, their clarity, their self-worth, just by showing up 3 times. Like, you know, people have shown up on sessions sharing like, oh, do you remember? I was like, yeah, I remember who you were being in the first session, and right now you're glowing, your confidence is high. And they're like, you know what, I'm going to share a long message with you of what changed. And this work is so powerful that I have goosebumps right now, by the way. This work is so powerful that you are seeing people change in literally 2 hours. Actually, I would say this is how powerful our minds are. So I'm going to see you inside the community. Till then, keep rocking. Keep rocking and keep working for your incredible future self. I love you. I'm going to see you in the next video.